Hello and welcome. Embark on an unparalleled journey with our AI prompt engineering course tailored specifically for architects, engineers, construction managers, quantity surveyors, project managers, and facility managers, valuers, and all construction professionals. Dive deep into the transformative world of ChatGPT and discover how AI can revolutionize your approach to the architecture, engineering, and construction industries. Starting with a solid foundation in AI and language models, you'll quickly see the incredible potential of ChatGPT unfold before your eyes. Through engaging, hands-on exercises, you'll master the art of prompt engineering, unlocking the full potential of AI to enhance your professional tasks. As we progress, you'll apply these skills to create diverse content, from persuasive ad copy to detailed technical blog posts, and use ChatGPT for efficient research and information gathering. Whether it's streamlining project workflows, automating routine tasks, or enhancing digital marketing strategies, you'll see firsthand how ChatGPT can be leveraged to boost your efficiency and effectiveness in the AEC sector. For architects, imagine using ChatGPT to explore new design concepts instantly or to generate environmentally compliant materials lists. Engineers will appreciate how prompt engineering can simplify complex calculations and system designs. Construction professionals, including project managers and quantity surveyors, will find that AI can dramatically enhance precision in cost estimations and risk management, streamlining project timelines and boosting profitability. Our course also dives into AI's role in personal and professional growth, helping you leverage it for career advancement, such as job applications, interviews, and professional networking. Here's how you'll get the most out of this course. 1. Course resources. Access tailored resources directly within each lecture to enhance your learning experience. 2. Adjustable playback rate. Learn at your pace by adjusting the video speed to suit your comfort level. 3. Interactive notes. Easily take and retrieve notes within the course platform, linking your thoughts directly to specific lecture timestamps. 4. Dynamic Q&A. Get your questions answered within 24 hours by our dedicated team, ensuring you stay on track. 5. Regular updates. Receive free updates on new content and innovations in course material as they happen. 6. Community. You will automatically be added to our AI course community for AEC professionals. Engage in discussions, access expert webinars, and collaborate on projects, all while networking and advancing your career with AI in architecture, engineering, and construction. 7. Course completion. Complete the course to unlock a trophy icon and receive your certificate, a testament to your advanced training in AI for the AEC industry. Prepare to amplify your efficiency by more than tenfold, as this course will not only enhance your capability, but also transform the way you think about and execute projects within the AEC industry. Let's step into the future of AEC together, more prepared, more innovative, and more efficient than ever before. Join us now and start reshaping your professional world with AI.